This one. Now, let's understand about the customer journey mapping. It is like walking in your customer's shoes from the first interaction to ongoing use and even churn or renewal. It helps you see the full experience and, more importantly, where it breaks. It is not about features, it is about moments, the good, frustrating, and delightful. Let's take a real example. Imagine you are mapping the journey of a new user onboarding into a health tracking app. You might discover awareness, they see an Instagram ad. Consideration, they check up reviews and visit your website. So, all the steps where customer is interacting, right? So journey map exposes these friction points and guide you to solve what really matters. Let's see one customer journey map as an example. Now, this is a customer journey map for a user, Sarah, right? And she sees a ad on tech trends on social media about the latest smartphone. Again, this is a fictitious or fictional customer journey map as a sample. So here, if you'll see, the touch points are first, Sarah will be aware. So the first aspect of the product organization, create awareness. After that, she will consider it, purchase it, use it, and she will become the advocate of this product. At every stage, we can see first row is what are the touch point. With every touch point, what are the thoughts and feeling which Sarah is having. The third is customer actions or reactions. Basically, they are frustrated, delighted, happy, or not. Now, based upon that, write down what are the pain point of the customer at each and every touch point. Once you figure out the touch point, you can look towards what are the opportunity at each and every level of touch point. If you'll see in this example, there are a lot of things where tech trends can improve. So customer journey is a very powerful tool. It provides you a visualization or a view where you can improve, and it is a very structured view. You can pinpoint like at which area the customer is most frustrated. We should focus on that area first, right? To delight the customer. Eventually, product we are developing for the customer only. If there is no customer, no product. There is another tool which is whole product thinking. So we need to understand what is whole product. If we understand as a producer, as a product manager, what is my product at the different level, we will be able to visualize the future as well. So great products are never just about the core functionality, right? If you'll see a mobile, the core functionality is calling and receiving the calls, sending the text messages. This is the core functionality. But now the core functionality definition has changed as it evolved. So whole product thinking helps you zoom out. It is the total value delivered, including services, support, brand, experience, integration, and beyond. Let's break it down into some simple examples. The core product. Core product is something like, as I mentioned in the mobile phone, right? It's just a calling and receiving the call and texting the message. But what is expected nowadays? That it should be having camera as well, some more functionality as well. So core is something which is the basic for the phone. Expected, there is something which we are expecting that these things should also be having. And augmented product is something which is creating you different from the competitor. So competitor differentiator is augmented product, some functionality, Gorilla Glass, or some advanced camera. These can be augmented products like Samsung, Apple, or some other mobile manufacturer are creating the differentiator for their specific segment, basically. And next is potential product. Potential product is something new where we want to be. The potential product in terms of camera may be just a glass, which is coming in the future, right? So this model basically pushes us to think not just what we are building, what it is more than that. And at every level, we can think about the customer experience as well. At the augmented product, what will be the experience of the customer? At the potential product, which may be coming after 2-3 years, right? So across onboarding, uses, support, and even delight, we need to understand what is our core product, not just from the functionality point of view. I gave the example from the functionality, but from all these covering what is my core product, what is expected augmented, and what is my potential product.